so many different techniques, not expensive one, to make beautiful pendants and, for example, earrings. And I'm gonna show you what I use and how it's simple to do. If you're a beginner and you want to make beautiful earrings, start with wooden shapes or forms, and there are so many. I have probably 30 or more different shapes. They're not expensive. You can buy through some stores, like, you know, it sells by 50, by 100, and you can see like a lot, and different size as well, from small one. Sometimes you can buy ready to use earrings, except that you would like to put some design on them. Why not? So somebody likes like this, but I can paint this earrings. I can put some kind of decorations, some sparkles. Also, I found for the beginners, it's like ready to use painted like little bits or pendants, whatever you call it, right? Little round shape circles, which is very good because on this one you can learn how to transfer some image from nail foil, from some sticky paper and scrapbook paper, whatever. So you can experiment on this one, and there's so many options, and I'll be showing you how I can use this one. This is very good idea. So as you can see, a lot of material, and believe me, it's like 100, at least 100, 150 types and kinds of earrings that you can make in a very short time, because it doesn't require too much work, right? So start from this one, or you can start even from regular paper. It's also simple to make earrings from paper, and I'll show you in another video as well. So first what I do, I color them. If I want to get special effects, for example, I use acrylic paints, and I cover in acrylic paints sometimes from both sides, sometimes only from one side. And here is a stainer, and I use different colors of acrylic. As I said, some of them ready to use because it has already covered in wood stainer, but you can leave it like this, so there's no problem. And I use metallic acrylic paint, I use regular paint, and sometimes I paint in different colors. So you see, you can choose any color. And why I do this? Because to get this type of, let's say, earrings, they're not ready yet, but to get this surface, this beautiful design, I need something dark, like black or blue color, or it could be any dark color. But if I want to use like this design, you see, again, I use like dark colors. This is black color. But if I want to use flowers, let's say, and do something like that, then I use bright colors like white color, yellow, and it depends what you're gonna transfer on these beautiful pieces of wood. And because there are so many different techniques, I will start from the simplest one. This one are ready to be assembled into necklaces, pendants and earrings. So you see, and still a lot of prepared shapes to create something very beautiful. If you ask me what I'm gonna do with this all colored shapes, I don't know. I have no idea at the moment. I'm gonna use it, so anyway it will be used, but what kind of design I'm gonna paint or create, I have no idea. It's usually spontaneous. I'm working and then something come into my mind, and then I create these beautiful earrings, like different techniques. Like this is marbling, I'll show you in some other video, or pouring acrylic, or like this one for example, or any other type. And it's creativity. It depends on your mood, how much time you have, and depends probably on the season. And sometimes I get in requests and orders from my friends or people whom I meet from time to time, and I made earrings for them, or actually I made for them some jewelry like necklaces. And I still have some project unfinished, and this has to be my necklace, 2 necklaces I have to assemble. So as you can see, I have enough work to do, but it makes me happy.